guys, Dustin here. We're at SHOT Show 2017 Range Day, the fun stuff where we get to shoot the guns. Now, this was a big teaser last year. It's the SilencerCo Maxim 9, and they're going into production, like they said, like within a week or two, so they'll be hitting the shelves and getting to distributors in a month or two, and so it's real exciting. Now, the MSRP, I know you're wondering, that's going to be around $1,500, and from what we showed last year, there you have some great updates. You have RMR, so red dot slide cuts on the top, and key mod on the bottom. Now, this was configured in the short version, and you also have the long version, which will makes it look even more RoboCop-ish, but it of course will result in a quieter, just a quieter report. They do take Glock mags, so we're going to go ahead, since I got this one in my hand, we're going to shut up and shoot, and then we'll straight over to the shorter one, see if we see a sound difference. Let's do it. Nice. Okay, that first one was me. A longer reset than I thought it was. But we got a nice little group in that headshot. We're going to go one more. Now the shorter one, because that was just stupid quiet. Let's go again. Good. All right. All holes in, so accuracy's great too. I do hear just a little bit of decibel. It's louder, but it's not painful or anything. So great stuff and running great. It's gonna be exciting seeing these hit the market from SilencerCo.